Good morning. It's day 77 and happy 4th of July. I'm so happy you're here with a bang and a July 4th. Welcome to my channel. My name is Susan and I'm on a journey to lose weight. I'm walking 30 minutes every day and we will let you know how much weight I lose every Sunday morning. But a teaser, since it's July 4th, I've lost over 32 pounds. But I'll tell you tomorrow, on day 78, exactly how much I've lost. So thank you for watching, and we will talk to you tomorrow.
Each morning breaks, I lace up my shoes, the sun on my face, with every step I choose.
Yeah. Look at you.
Walking every day, one foot in front of the other. Dreams in my mind, I'm stronger than any other. Stepping into the vision, I'm ready to create. Breaking down the walls, 'cause I just can't wait. The road can be long, but I'm loving the view. Step by step, I'm getting closer to something new. Dream the vision, watch it turn into life. I'm persistent and winning. No need for strife. Walking on and on through the sun and rain. Every mile I take, I'm breaking every chain. Watch it turn into life. I'm persistent and winning. No need for strife. Walking on and on through the sun and rain. Every mile I take, I'm breaking every chain.
Greetings from Tucson, Arizona, and here we are, and I want to welcome you, Australia, for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I so appreciate your support on my journey, and it means so much to me. And I want to wish you a fantastic, happy 4th of July.